Okay, so I got this rear mounted. Other than this is a little high here. And the body lines are lined up good. So you can see it's a little high right here. Other than that, which is fine. These are actually, this fits, honestly, this fits gorgeous. I am very impressed with this. This is nothing like the front. Except for that little guy right there. And this back's never been in a hit, and it still don't fit that great right there. Doesn't mean it's never been worked on, I guess. But I cannot complain about this. This looks fantastic. I am very happy. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to mud this, basically this whole entire bumper anyways, or at least straight cut it with some 40 or some 80 or something. She's got a little bit of wave to her here and there. It's not acceptable. But we'll get that covered. That's completely fine. There's some waveage on here. That's fine. That's fine. I can deal with that. With this, now if I had to give this rear bumper, I think it's a 5-inch, obviously a 5-inch spoiler on it. We'll stand back, see what it looks like. I like it. If I had to give this a grade, I'd give this, like, on quality, definitely a 10. This is really shipped really nice. The whole thing's really nice. It's really stout and firm. See, it's shaking the whole car here. I'd give them about a 9 on the gaps. 9.5 on the rear at least. This is acceptable. I like this.